Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Mega Garchomp. If you must know, Garchomp is one of the many Pokemon that can Mega Evolve. And he's capable of using Dragon-type moves like Draco Meteor. And let's see what else it can do. You see Garchomp as he's actually a dragon and ground type, and he is actually Cynthia's partner, the Sinnoh region champion. If you must know it, the Sinnoh region champion's Garchomp was never capable of doing stuff like this. Okay, so of Okay, so if you must know, Garchomp's tail is like a shark's, except it's more thin. Next up, here's his other teeth. Okay, next up, here's his spike. Okay, we're almost done. You just gotta add this shoulder blade. There we go. And And that's pretty much it. That is how you draw a Mega Garchomp with ease. Pretty awesome, don't you think? Hold on a sec. The blade should be bigger. Anyways, I'm a huge fan of Mega Garchomp. And if you guys have a Mega Garchomp EX card, just let me know if you have a spare one. And if you could lend me one, send me in the mail. My address is 21 Nimitz Street. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of character I'm gonna draw next. See you later.